ho, ho! Happy holidays!
And we wanted to say thank you to all our subscribers for 2022 being the best subscribers we could possibly have.
Yeah.
And because you guys have been great subscribers, we have something special for you for the holidays.
Yes, sir. It's going to be the biggest holiday season thus far with RTTV. So make sure you lock in December 25th to find out what that is.
Facts. And for the meantime, y'all can comment down below what y'all think we got in store for y'all. What's in this bag right here? What's waiting for the RTTV gang this holiday, baby?
What's in this bag is gonna be the best Christmas ever! And I'm
A black one.
Merry Christmas!
What's good, yo? We back, RTTV.
Yeah.
And if it's your first time here, definitely won't be your last. So make sure you kill, murder, and
smash
that subscribe button. And welcome back to RTTV, where we react to everything. And we're back with the 1,000-year Blood War arc from Bleach.
Peace up! No, don't throw it.
Big bro.
I just felt like saying that because just energy, you know?
Don't start, because I'm gonna be like, fuck that bitch! Oh, man, yeah.
Yo, and they say I be bringing her, you know what I'm saying? I
bring her up in a positive light. I just said,
well, who said when you bring them up, it gotta be positive?
I'm not gonna lie, the amount of times y'all talk about her makes me get annoyed by hearing her name, bro. Y'all gonna make me.
Nah, but Evan does bring her up way more than I do because
you be wild
because we be talking about nothing in relation to her, and you just bring her up and just start talking about her, bro.
He said, yo, y'all bringing her so much, I just thought, I hate that bitch. My shit's working. I think
$1 all over the place.
It's a strip club here.
All right, so at the end of last episode, last episode was a great one. We have Kapachi versus Unohana, and towards the end we see the Ichigo was training to fix his Bankai. Basically, he had he went through some training by the dude that created the Zanbakuto.
Yeah,
and he failed. The dude says you need to learn your roots and send him back to what is the name of that city? Whatever. Back for where
back to Earth.
Yeah, back to Earth where Ichigo is from, and Ichigo is left right in front of his dad's clinic.
Yep.
So
he gotta know himself.
Yeah?
I said he gotta know himself. You can't know nothing until you know yourself.
That's right. That's right. So this one's titled Everything But the Rain.
Everything.
Episode 11. You guys ready?
No, I'm not.
Let's jump right into it. If you guys want to watch the full reaction to this series, you can do so on our Patreon, man. Patreon.com/RTTV_. Check it out. Let's do it.
It's interesting that.
Damn it, what is she thinking?
Yeah, Ichigo's an anomaly.
He's different.
Oh, Ichigo!
What the hell? Nah, you can't run away from the truth, Ichigo.
What's wrong with him?
I can't stand the rain. You may not be my dad.
It's my way now.
久しぶりに顔見せたと思ったら死にそうな顔してきやがって親と喧嘩した女子高生がいくみさん
Watch
some
out, his
reason I thought it
dad.
was in here.
What the hell? Ding dong ditch. Yep. Told you. I told you it was gonna be his dad.
Yeah, it's like,
what's wrong with you?
You
Why
think you
you
can run
running
away from me? I ain't
Yeah.
no Soul Reaper before I'm your dad.
Dad?
いたずらだったみたいだ
No, Ichigo's.
Yeah. Come on, bro.
That's
He didn't say nothing, bro. He just looked at him.
that's a real fatherly thing to do right there.
前に言ったな、お前。俺が話してもいいって思う時まで待つってよ。今がその時だ。
That's
Whoa!
true. He did say that
Go
before.
back, sir.
That's true.
You're not a Soul Reaper.
ただの人間でもね。
That's how LA was last week, yo.
Facts. Oh, flashback.
私は黒崎正樹。クイーンシーです。
Yeah, Quincy. Which we knew.
Yeah. At least I know that that's his real father.
Damn, she a bad tank.
入りますよ。
I have to take the day.
Boom, you see that?
Oh, he was the
He
captain?
was the captain of Squad 10.
Wait, that means he was nasty.
Look how small Hitagaya was. He was even smaller.
できた人は私ですよ、階級的に。先月も2名死亡してます。
Damn. Gotta go.
調査、あと任せたぞ。今から一人で
Oh, look at your boy. What's his name? Jin?
Ginichimaru, right?
Yep.
Is that Aizen talking about?
Yep.
Yeah. That's the early planning days.
So he might have been responding. He might have been responding.
雨の日が危ないのか。いいこと聞いたぞ。柴隊長、お母様。
Oh.
おやめください。
Wait, is that?
That's Sting's dad, no?
That's
Yeah.
Woody's
Woody's
dad?
dad?
自室へ戻ります。
その彼女が果たして僕との結婚を喜ぶだろうか。
Wait, what?
Shit. Damn.
What?
クイーンシーの婚姻に
It makes sense, though.
必要だとお考えなのですね。お優しいです。その坊ちゃまの優しさだけで十分に正樹様はお喜びになられますよ。
Oh! What the? How?
冷圧のデカさに反応しなかったか。
Oh shit!
The hell, bro? Is that a hollow?
黒い。
It's a black hollow? Oh.
What the fuck?
It's like bastard.
You said what?
Nothing.
I was like, wait.
He looks like fucking like Ichigo's form, like when he went like hollow form against Ukiura.
It does.
I wonder who that is. That gotta be somebody we know.
All three of the things that Ichigo is fused with are meeting tonight. He's a hollow, he has Soul Reaper in him, and he got a Quincy in him.
Right.
And that looks like the hollow version of.
Oh, who's that, Aizen?
I was like, who is that? I
couldn't
don't know.
tell.
I didn't really see the face.
That might be Aizen. It looked like brown hair with glasses. Did he just like take some of his blood?
Yeah.
It's probably.
Ichigo's dad's a beast, though. He's a beast, bro. He might have to add against that shit.
Oh, shit.
Settle. Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's definitely Aizen. That's all of them. Oh, what the?
She's a beast, yo. That's Ichigo's Boppy Busters. Masaki Kurosaki. Oh, she kept it $150 with him.
He's like, she's beautiful.
And that day is when I fell in love with your mother. He's like, yo, I always want to bag up the Quincy, yo. I'm bully.
You can really see where Ichigo, what he gets from his dad and what he gets from his mom.
Yeah, that's true.
Why do I feel like that woman might be Uryu's mom?
Wait, say pass it on to Quincy? So it went into her.
That's what it seemed like.
Yeah, so it's because the hollow bear. Hence why Ichigo has those powers.
Hence why Aizen was always paying attention to Ichigo.
It's my window.
Hey, who do you?
Who that is?
Who do you?
Who's that, Corpiga?
Who was it? Who you think it is?
It looked like Uryu or his dad because his hair kind of looked gray.
It's Uryu's brother.
I'll tell you this, we did see him before.
Huh?
We did see that guy. He walked up. He was there. I was there with him. We had.
He's a Quincy, right? And he was with the dude that just messed up the Soul Society and killed Thing.
He was.
He was right. He was the right hand dude that was. Oh wow.
Yeah.
He was the right hand dude that was with.
That was with Yoho.
So is that what we trying to say? Who's up?
What do you think? I'm not.
I think they're
He's
gonna.
convoluting with the ops.
I mean, he is a Quincy, so therefore, is it really?
Maybe he's about to be one of the epic battles we've ever seen about to happen. How about that? Maybe he's there to pick up the smoke. What's good? Stop. What's good with the Quincy's?
That's not.
Nah, here's the thing. Uryu is a Quincy, so it does make sense if to him, they're not ops.
I'll give you an opportunity right now to really tell me if you're going to ride with the Quincy's or not.
Excommunicado.
And you excommunicado at that point, you feel me? If you with us, then I bet, let's ride. And it's going to go down to, Rod made this prediction early on in the season. He was like, he's end up coming back to our side after. So it looked like could be that, but I think if he does that, it's gonna be also shit like he's gonna try to like disrupt the balance while he's in. He's gonna be a spy, double op.
I'll feel it.
I definitely be a spy.
If he does go to that side, if not, he's excommunicado with an hour.
So it's interesting seeing how got hit by the hollow, got bit by the hollow. His dad's actually a Soul Reaper and his mom is a Quincy, so it explains that he's able to do everything. But I think that kind of gives us a little bit more context on why his mom even died to begin with, because like she had that Soul Reaper. I keep saying Soul Reaper. Hollow. She had that hollow inside of her. She had that hollow inside of her that whole time, so maybe the hollow could have been dangerous. Hence why she essentially.
Yeah, the backstory is cool too because we see, you called it out early in the episode, was like this hollow looked very like Ichigo when he went Barcelona against Okiura, and I like how they played on that because and the fact that Aizen it was still behind the whole shit. Like that's so fire.
He's the GOAT, bro. He's really been watching this shit play out the whole time.
Nuts.
Huh? Who's nuts? He's just on Discovery's nuts. Like he just like discovering new shit. Nuts. Yeah, he's like a mad scientist, bro.
Scientist. Aizen.
He's better than Dexter.
Orochimaru or Dexter.
Aizen.
Yeah. I don't know.
Because I'm definitely taking, as far as a mad scientist, I'm taking Aizen over Orochimaru, especially if you kind of orchestrated the creation of one of the most.
My boy's bringing boys back to life, though. I don't know, yo.
Aizen never had a sweat.
Orochimaru is bringing people back to life, yo. Oh yeah, you thought the Hokage was that bad?
It wasn't science. It was like jutsu. You know,
that's the science. Because that's all research. Research comes out of science.
Everybody come back alive, so it ain't a big feat here. All that he may bring your ass back to life regular shit.
It's the level of disrespect, though. That's what I'm saying. Because he would do it intentionally, be like, yo, I'm psychologically messing with your mind. This is a person that you admired, and you have to fight him right now. That's why I was so mad. He made Mitsuki.
Nah, he's not fully responsible. Yeah, he's not fully responsible.
He's like 60% responsible for Sasuke.
No.
You guys forget Sasuke had to like literally kill him and devour him to get Orochimaru's powers, bro.
Sasuke wouldn't be Sasuke
at the end of the day. He ended up not having it at the end though.
He did. Orochimaru and the curse mark abilities, bro. Basically,
he got rid of that quick though.
Bro, that the whole Sasuke and Naruto fight. If Sasuke didn't have that second level of the curse mark,
bro.
Curse mark wouldn't be that fight. And let's talk about Shippuden. Let's talk about Shippuden Sasuke. Shippuden Sasuke. The majority of that is Sasuke. It's not Orochimaru.
Sasuke.
What are we talking about?
Actually, hold up. You got to rewind that back. The arc that he had with Orochimaru.
Yeah, but all the
That's facts.
but the Sharingan that he got was as a result of him killing his brother.
Exactly.
That had nothing to do with that had nothing to do with Orochimaru.
He didn't even kill. He didn't even beat Itachi. Itachi lost because he was dying.
Because that's facts.
So it was like, regardless of whether he got chained by Tsunade or Orochimaru or Jiraiya, Itachi was gonna die right there. Yeah. And he was gonna lock that Sharingan.
Yeah, Ichigo's dad is really mad strong, bro. Like,
the
surprised you that he did that.
Over Aizen.
Somebody got right
over Aizen.
Nah,
that's crazy.
You know why I didn't really do it over Aizen. It was like more put respect on Orochimaru because
we do put respect. We respect.
I know. I was making sure y'all understand
because the question was who's more of a mad scientist, Orochimaru, Aizen, or Dexter? Which Dexter, mad random.
I don't know. It's still debatable. I'm still thinking about how much hands that Orochimaru had involved with the show. He was the whole invasion with the Leaf Village. Like, that shit was crazy, bro. He killed the Kazekage, bro.
Aizen did the same shit.
I was about to say, Pat, we see it more than ever
right now. Aizen did the same shit.
He didn't kill the leader of a whole other place, bro. He didn't kill the village, bro. And impersonated him. And then went to the Leaf Village. And then he killed the Hokage in the Leaf Village.
He took over
to Sasuke. Hold that. Let me take your biggest motherfucking draft pick. Come on, man. Nah, Orochimaru got that, bro. He got that. He got that.
Here's the thing. Mad scientists, we talking about villain. Like, and I still...
That's it. Even when we're talking about villain, we're not putting... Even when we're talking about villain, I'm not putting Orochimaru over Aizen, bro. Like, that's crazy.
You think he's a better villain than Aizen? Yo. What do you argue right now? What do you believe? What do you argue right now?
Listen. What I'm trying to say is, it's really crazy how much Ichigo's dad really knew, and he didn't really tell Ichigo at all this whole time, bro. That's a lot of.
I like how Pat switched that too, because he's doing exactly what I hate about Rukia. I hate when people do this. Oh wait, you're at this part of your life. All right, here's more information for you. All right,
remember that Ichigo did say that we don't have to wait. We don't have to talk about this yet. Remember he did tell him.
He said it too. He said it
because he wanted to tell him before. Ichigo was like, nah, you know what? Not yet, Dad.
Nah, you're right. We back to fuck Rukia. You're right.
Yo,
you love Rukia.
That's a lot of information we could have got earlier, though. I feel like that sometimes it's like I can't acknowledge what you want. Like if it comes down to like the resurrection of a whole society that could cause the extinction of who you are and my family, I think I should let you know that information.
That is important information to have.
How can you comfortably? That's weird.
Maybe they did. Maybe he didn't think that they was gonna. Did they really think that they were gonna come back?
Nah, I know, but
he didn't need to know this until like his
to life, getting OP power ups, like messing people up.
But it blows my mind though because of the fact that like Uryu's dad is like alive for all this, conscious, aware of the fact that there's this whole war that happened, and then he's like knowingly knows Ichigo's dad, and Ichigo's dad was with this girl that you wanted to be with. So because her bloodline's precious, it's like, I don't know, it's weird.
With Ichigo's mom,
not for love. It was more for like the bloodline business.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. It was something like that. Yeah. But he was like, yo, ultimately, I just wanted her to be happy.
Yeah.
Because I think that's important for the future.
Yeah, I think he married. I think that's Ichigo's, not Ichigo. That's Uryu's mom. The shorty that was saying next to his dad. I'm pretty sure that's his mom. Yeah.
She seemed like a rider.
Because she said something alluding to the fact that she was feeling.
Yeah.
The way she was talking to him.
Yeah, the way she was talking to him. So I'm convinced that might be his mom.
I agree with that.
All right, crazy episode, man. We got a lot of information regarding Ichigo's backstory. We finally get to see what Uryu is doing, right? He's right next to one of the Quincy's, one of the Stern
high
level guy. So what does he want? What is he there for? We'll find out.
He's telling him, yo, join gang, bro.
Everything but the rain.
Yeah, you get from that, bro.
I don't know.
That's somebody said earlier in the episode revolving around the rain, but I just couldn't remember, and I want to bring it back so I can figure it out, but I'm not gonna lie.
Remember, Ichigo's dad said to the Soul Reapers, hey, if it starts raining, y'all can go home. Right?
Everything but the rain.
Everything but the rain.
Raindrop.
And everything.
Yeah, because everything but the rain went home.
Okay. Everything else that was going around, that was like on, was just as crazy as the rain.
That's why the rain stopped.
Yeah.
Or like when you're about to die, right? Like the last thing you want to see is the rain. Anything but the rain.
I like that one.
I'm not gonna lie.
You know, that's like that's actually like you actually said something.
No, I'm saying like if I
It would
want
be a beautiful death.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. It'll be that's exactly like.
I'd rather die in snow.
Hell no.
What the hell?
I'll die in the rain.
And the snow will get all bloody. And then it'll like taint.
I used to the pain of dying, and I gotta be cold on top of the fact I'm dying. You're dumb.
Yes,
Imagine
cold in
getting
the
mad
rain.
you was dying because it was cold. Fucking cold as a
Get shot
bitch.
of snowstorm. It's like, yo, you gotta shoot me, bro. It's snow right now, bro. Like, you gotta do this right now.
For real, I'm out here bleeding out in the snow.
That'd really be me if I'm dying like that.
Like, you gotta shoot me in the snow. Like, you have
And
smash.
that subscribe button. It's your boy Wellesley, Anime King.
Patrick, I'll say.
Oh, that's black ice and whatnot. You gotta shoot me in the snow. It's a man, the myth, the maniac. It's like a scar.
December 25th, Christmas Day! December 25th, Christmas Day! Christmas Day!
Come on, man, stop. You know they guys working overtime getting that present ready for RTTV. The best subscribers on the planet. We don't got time to be messing around. Let's go. We got work to cook up.
December 25th, Christmas Day! It's a surprise! It's a surprise!